Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss the modern digital consumer and new consumers' digital journey and the marketing strategies for the digital world and the latest practices that are basically used by today's marketers. The first we are going to discuss out is the modern digital consumers and new consumers' digital journey. So what is the characteristic of modern consumer and who is the modern consumer? Modern consumer is basically a digital consumer who are preferring 24 by 7 online shopping and part of digital marketing. They are constantly looking towards a seller who can customize the offerings according to their desired needs. What actually the individual customer wants, these customers are seeking for the marketers who personalize their product according to their need and requirement. In addition to this, the seller has to take care of the ease of inconvenience of the consumers. The next one is the innovation. These customers are looking for experience that are innovative in nature. That means they are looking after the options that are not offering by others. That is something innovative a unique marketer is offering to them. They are persistently looking out for technologies that can ease their shopping exercise and innovate their shopping experience. The next one is the peer contact. Consumers get influenced by their peer reviews and feedback. For example, if you are going to buying out some mobile phone or through the digital marketing experience, then the first thing the people are going to do out, they are going to check the reviews about the particular mobile phone or about the particular model. If the reviews are going in the positive manner, the customer is now motivated to buying the particular product. But if the reviews are going in the negative direction, then the customer is going to drop out the idea to invest in the particular product. There is a simple equation to discuss the attributes or the behavior of a modern consumer. That means we can say that if the perceived performance is smaller than the expected performance, then the customer is dissatisfied in nature. But if the perceived performance is greater than the expected performance, then the customer is highly satisfied in nature. The next one is the post-purchasing services. The post-purchasing services are basically something related to the CRM activities or the after-sale services of the marketer. What are the services and how the marketer is going to treat out their customer even if they sell out their product. A consumer now has a power of influence others also. Means if the customer is dissatisfied with the performance or the after sale services of the marketer, then he or she can influence others not to buy or not to attach, not to contact with that particular buyer. For example, the consumers are therefore looking for greater transparency, accountability from the side of marketer and the efficiency of post-purchase services. Now the next is understanding the customer's journey. How the traditional customer shifts from the modern consumers and how the journey is going on. The first is the awareness, the second one is the findability, the next is the reputation, the next is the conversion, and last one is the advocacy. So the awareness is something related to the interest and awareness of an individual customers, and marketer is going to provide out different types of tools that can be advocated by the help of post-purchase expectations versus the reality. That means earlier we have discussed about this, that if the perceived performance is greater than the expected performance, then the customer is having the satisfied behavior, and if the perceived performance is smaller than the expected performance, then the customer shows the dissatisfied behavior. Next is marketing strategies for the digital world and what are the latest practices that are being followed by the different marketers. So digital marketing strategy is basically the series of action that a marketer is going to use to achieve the particular goal using the online marketing. This is basically a master plan or a blueprint to achieve a long-term or macro goal. So different types of constituents or steps that are being used in creating or defining the marketing strategy. That first one is the defining the customer profiles, exactly to whom you are going to target out. What is the demographic profile, what is the age, gender, income status, family group, preference group of a particular customer to whom the marketers are going to market out their product. The next is defining the marketing objectives. What is the actual goal of a marketer? The short-term goal is something different, and the long-term goal for which the digital marketing strategy is to be created out. The next one is the alignment of customers' requirements and the marketing goals. What the customer actually wants, what is the need and wants of the customer, that should be correctly and positively aligned with the marketing goals of an organization. The next one is identify the target marketings. There are basically the three main strategies on which the digital marketing strategy rely on. The first is the segmentation, then targeting and the positioning. And the first is segmentation, targeting. These both are the most major strategies and the steps to move towards for achieving their goal. Segmentation is to segment out or to divide the whole market into different clusters, and the targeting is to target the particular segment on the basis of matching. The first one is the SMM, that is the social media marketing. Next is the SEO, that is the search engine optimization. Next is the pay-per-click advertising, retargeting, content marketing, email marketing, viral marketing, and SEM, that is the search engine marketing. So the first one is the social media marketing, the marketing that is done with the help of social media platforms. So what are the social media platforms? These are the basically tools that help to connect with the one customer or the consumer to the other one. And the example of social media tools are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. The next one is the search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is basically an organic form of searching. It means it is basically based on the keywords that are to be put to search out about a particular product. Keywords are the important terminologies that helps the web browser to search out the product related to that keyword, or that to satisfy the need of the customers. What actually the customer is going to search out, that is very important to select the keyword that is their process of searching. The keyword are the basic tools through which the search engine optimization is working out. The next is the pay-per-click advertising. Pay-per-click advertising is something that is not organic in nature, but it is a paid form of advertising. The next one is the retargeting. Retargeting is to retarget their customer. The next is the content marketing. Content marketing is something to project the content in such a way that attract some of the mails that are something related to the promotional activities that are offered by the marketer to the customer. These promotional activities are done to give the information or the awareness about the product. It may be an existing product or it may be a product that is going to be launched in the market. If the product is going to launch in the market, then the marketers have to put extra effort to make their customer aware about the new product. And if the product is existing in the nature or existing in the market, then the customer have to put the efforts, but not as much as it in the case of the new product. So sometimes we see the promotional mails in the inbox, and these mails we consider as a spam, or we just forward it to the spam folder. The next is the viral marketing. Viral marketing is a form, or it may be a form of video marketing. Viral marketing is something that some message is going to spread out up to some extent, that is having the reach of up to the millions and thousands of users. That means it is got shared by one user to the other one and one viewer to the other one. The basic objective of viral marketing is to make out the reach up to the extent, up to the large level to the customer, or to provide the information about particular product, or it may be any incident, or it may be any news or information that is used to be spread to different users with the help of viral marketing. The next one is the SEM, or the search engine marketing. Search engine marketing is also the form of searching over the internet that is done with the help of browser. It is the paid form of searching a particular product on the internet. So digital marketing strategies basically depends, or basically provides, or basically relies on these different tools that are available or that are offered by the marketers. So thank you all for listening this video.